Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix retrieving credential problem on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you're having a login issue which is retrieving credentials, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first you have to open your settings and you have to make sure that you have a strongest internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you have to retry. If you're still having the same issue, open general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. Then you just have to go back and here go for software update, try to update your software, and then you have to try to update your WhatsApp. Go for App Store, search for WhatsApp, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your WhatsApp, or if you find anyone you just have to try to install or update your WhatsApp app. And after that you just have to go back, open the settings app again. If you're still having the same issue, open general, go for iPhone storage, go for WhatsApp, try to overload your app because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug into your WhatsApp app, so it will fix in this step. Try to offload app and try to reinstall app, and after that if you're still having the same issue, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode and it will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue into your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. Or after that, if you're still having the same issue, open your browser, search for support.whatsapp or WhatsApp support, or you can try to search for contact WhatsApp. Open the first website, which is contact WhatsApp, and here select the contact us and under the WhatsApp support option. And here you just have to enter your phone number, enter your email address, re-enter your email address, select your device, and then you just have to describe your issue. Here you just have to enter a short message in which you can describe your issue that you're having an returning credential issue, so please fix it and something like that. And after that WhatsApp support will review your issue and it will give you the fix or the solution in almost 24 hours. So you must have to wait for it. It will send you the notification on your Gmail or email which you have entered on the website. So in this way, you can easily fix the retrieving credential problem on your WhatsApp on any iPhone or Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.